In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create free Notion forms using Fillout. This is an easy way to collect responses directly into your Notion database without building a form from scratch. Let's get started. Open Fillout in your browser and sign in to your account. You can start with a blank form or choose one of the free templates to save time. Once your form is open, customize the questions to match the information you want to collect. You can add text fields, multiple choice questions, drop-downs, checkboxes, file uploads, and more. Next, open the integration section and select Notion. If this is your first time connecting Fillout to Notion, authorize access to your Notion workspace by following the on-screen prompts. After connecting your account, choose the Notion database where you want the form responses to be stored. Match each form field to the corresponding database property, then save the integration. Preview your form to make sure everything looks correct, then submit a test response to confirm the data is being added to your Notion database. Once you are happy with the results, click Publish. Copy the form link to share it with others, or embed the form directly into a Notion page or your website if needed. That's how to create free Notion forms with Fillout. Thanks for watching.